Hello everyone, we are the students of class 2nd Mon. Today we are going to learn about animal sound and hum.
Do you know the sound of animals?
Yes!
Okay. Tell me. Sound of dog.
Woof, woof, woof.
Sound of cat.
Meow, meow.
Sound of lion. Sound of bird.
Chee, 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 chee.
Sound of cow. Sound of elephant. Sound of cock.
What is a dog horn called? Kennel. What is a rabbit horn called? Burro. What is a cat horn called? Owl. What is a horse horn called? Pen. What is a camel horn called? Steven. What is a